Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super simple and beautiful earring. This is a paper earring that I created using some glitter paper. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute paper heart earring. We will need 2 pieces of paper in glitter. With our heart punch we will cut 2 paper heart for this part and one for this part for the back, and then we will create our earring in very simple way. We will need some glue in order to glue our post earring here in the middle. I prefer this time this kind of glue, this kind of all-purpose glue, better with this kind of paper. Okay, and now we will glue the post earring here in the center. Voila. Now we will need to punch a hole. Sorry, but this is a glue sometimes quite stupid, but we need to punch a hole here, and in order to punch the hole we will do in this way. Press your in order to have this mini impression, and then we will punch a hole here. Okay, just a second, sorry, but today here is quite cold and I'm freezing, and it's not easy to use glue, paper and the other thing. Okay, now we need to glue together the 2 paper parts, and here your earring it's quite ready. Because I don't like this part in white, I will use this kind of pen, and it's a marker, permanent marker, and with this marker I will cover this part in order to have a total red earring. I use the red glitter paper, but you can use the glitter paper that you prefer and that you have. So for me they are so nice in this way, but you can use silver, gold glitter paper or pink. Voila, the earring are quite ready. Voila, they are so nice, so easy to create. And now we will need only to put this part together and our paper earring are ready. So nice, so easy. In some minutes you can create a new pair of paper earrings, and they are so nice to wear, I can assure you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.